Good morning, all of you. Today we are doing the question and answers of the chapter on killing the tree. This is a poem given in your Beehive books. The first question asked in textual question is, can a simple jab of knife kill a tree? Why not? The answer is no. The answer says no. Simply stabbing a tree with a knife will not kill it. The tree is very strong. It has become thick and stout over the years. जो क्वेश्चन में हमसे पूछा गया है कि क्या एक बार कुल्हाड़ी के वार से, एक नाइफ की वार से क्या जो पेड़ है वो मर जाएगा, तो इसका आंसर है नहीं, क्योंकि इतने सालों के अंदर जो पेड़ है वो बहुत ज़्यादा मजबूत हो चुका है. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन में पूछा जा रहा है, हाउ हैज़ द ट्री ग्रोन टू इट्स फुल साइज, लिस्ट द वर्ड सजेस्टिव ऑफ इट्स लाइफ एंड एक्टिविटी. तो जो हमारा फर्स्ट पार्ट है उसका आंसर है, द ट्री हैज़ ग्रोन टू इट्स फुल साइज ओवर मैनी ईयर्स. It has slowly consumed the soil, it has absorbed sunlight, air and water and put forth leaves. ठीक है, कि इसने बहुत टाइम लगा इसको इस साइज़ के अंदर आने के अंदर. इसने धीरे धीरे मिट्टी से ऑब्ज़र्व की है पानी को, सनलाइट को और एयर को, और फिर ये इतना बड़ा, इतना मजबूत आज बना है. एंड देन दे हैव आस्क्ड अस टू लिस्ट द वर्ड सजेस्टिव ऑफ लाइफ एंड एक्टिविटी. तो द वर्ड्स आर कंज्यूमिंग, राइजिंग, फीडिंग, एब्जॉर्बिंग, sprouting. Our third question is, what is the meaning of bleeding bark? What makes it bleed? So, the bleeding bark means wounded bark of the tree. It is bleeding because it has been hacked and chopped. क्योंकि इसको बार बार मारा गया है तो इसलिए इसको नाम दिया गया है bleeding bark. The next question number 4 is, the poet says no in the beginning of the third stanza. What does he mean by this? वो no क्यों कह रहा है third stanza के stating? No is connected with the activity mentioned in the second stanza. The poet means to say that hacking and chopping the tree will not kill it. You will have to do something more than that. Question number 5 is, what is the meaning of anchoring earth and earth cave? Anchoring earth is no tree stands securely with the help of root inside the earth. Thus the earth supports bracket के अंदर anchors to keep standing. Earth cave is the root hides inside the earth like a wild animal, so the earth serves the roots as a hiding cave. What does he mean by the strength of the tree exposed? So when the root has been pulled out, strength of the tree is gone. The tree is deprived of its strength and it lies unprotected and without security and support. Last question is, what finally kills the tree? The answer is, when the tree is entirely uprooted, it lies exposed in the sun and air, it dries up, it cannot feed on the soil, it cannot breathe, and then it dies. So these are the textual portions of the poem on killing a tree. So all of you please do this work in your copies and have a good day.